Welcome to Christian Songs Web Tutorial 1. In this video, I'll be showing you how do you install the CSW application inside your Windows operating system as well as your Mac OS. The process for both are similar, so you just simply have to go to Google Chrome, open the application, and type christiansongsweb.com. And once you're on the page, you should simply see this button right in the URL. If you say install, it might do the same functionality. Click on this button and it simply downloads and installs the application inside your operating system. Select your desired language from this dropdown, and if you speak any of them, you could simply set the language and start operating the application. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with more tutorials soon enough.